Pumpkin, pumpkin, pumpkin. Yes, it is the season. Me personally, I could eat pumpkin year round, but for today's purposes, I wanted to share with you one of my favorite pumpkin smoothie recipes, and this is in my detox programs. So yes, you can enjoy this a comforting smoothie and help your body detox and lose weight. So we're going to start off with any type of non-dairy milk. If you're a person that has dairy, then by all means, go for it. For me today, this is actually a banana milk that I'm going to be using. I always put my fluid in first to help with the mixing. So bananas, these are full of potassium, which in turn is really great for heart health. So we're going to add a little banana. That's half a banana. We're going to use half a cup of organic pumpkin puree. And the reason I chose this is because it's loaded with beta carotene, which in turn converts to vitamin A, which is great for your eye. So here I have some flaxseed omega-3 fatty acids for you, and then pumpkin pie seasoning. That's where all the fun is. Now for today, I chose to use maple syrup. You can use whatever sweetener you choose, whether it be stevia, honey, maple syrup, date syrup, whatever your choice is. And I needed my ice cubes, and I forgot that. All right, and then last but not least, we're going to add our ice cubes and give it a whirl. Well, that you, of course, could add more or less ice depending on how thick you want it. I love my smoothies to be thick, but you could also, if this is too thick for you, you could add more of your non-dairy milk, but let's give this a try. Oh my gosh. So good. And I tell you, you can top this with, add a little cinnamon to the top, some coconut flakes. For me, what I'm going to do with this one is I'm going to put it in one of my Ninja Creami containers, and I'm going to freeze it for tonight. So I'm going to have a nice whipped pumpkin ice cream tonight. So much love, guys. Hope you enjoy.